Hello and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip on what to do if you don't have a moisture meter available, but you want to find out down below in your houseplant soil if it's dry or wet, so that you know if you need to water. Because our finger does a good job, but usually only up to the first knuckle if you can even get your finger in that far. So what I like to use, and I will even use this sometimes with a moisture meter or instead of a moisture meter, is skewers, chopsticks. So you can, get them from when you're out to eat or get takeout, and these work great as a moisture meter. One really nice thing about them is when you drop them, they don't break usually like moisture meters do immediately. So I'm going to show you real quick here how effective this skewer is in determining moisture. So this African violet here was recently watered. So I'm going to stick the skewer in here, and you can go down pretty far with the skewer, which is something I really like. So I've gone all the way down, so I'm going to get a good representation here. Pull up. As you can see, the skewer itself is wet. There's soil on the skewer. That tells me this plant is wet and does not need watering right now. However, over here, for my other skewer here, I have a Sansevieria, and this is a succulent. We do want them to go dry when they're being grown indoors because they will rot very easily, but this one definitely needs water. Let it go a little bit so I could do this video and show you, but I'm going to show you too what the skewer looks like when I stick it in here. So I'm putting it in, went all the way down like the other one, pulling it out. You can see there's really no wet on there. There's very little soil on there. That tells me that this plant really needs to be watered. So I'm going to water it soon. And then also too, if you go like that and everything just kind of falls right off and you don't have any dark on there, that tells you, okay, things are dry. So that is a very quick tip on what to do if you don't have a moisture meter, how to test your plants, especially bigger plants and plants that have deeper pots, to see if they need watering, because you can have dry on the top and wet down below. And depending on how far down below you have wet, you would want to wait on watering for a while, potentially with a lot of plants. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when we release new videos.